Welcome to Fun with Science program. We are going to do one very interesting experiment regarding air pressure. The things required for this experiment are a gas cylinder, the gas stove for heating, two empty cool drink cans, then matchbox, forceps, and a container with water. Shall we do the experiment? Yes. It's a very simple procedure. First, you light burner. While doing such type of heating experiments, you should do the experiments with the supervision of your parents or your teachers. Okay, it's a very important caution. The second step, you take one of the cans and you add very little amount of water. Okay, this is enough. Now, hold the can with the forceps. Now, what will happen? Already water is present inside the, you see, the steams are coming out. What is the temperature of the steam?
100 degrees Celsius.
So water is boiling and then it is converted into steam. When the can contains full of steam, are you able to hear the sound?
Yes.
Slowly you take the can, then you turn upside down and immerse in the water in the container. Okay, that's the experiment. What happened to the can? Now it is completely crushed. This is called crushed can experiment. It is completely crushed. What is the reason for crushing? Difference in pressure between what?
The difference in atmospheric pressure and pressure inside the can.
What happened to the content inside the can? See, before heating, the lower part, a little amount of water. The remaining part, 99% full of air. Okay. Then you heat it, water is boiling, it starts 30 degree to 100 degree, steam is coming out. Now, it contains full of steam. If you immerse it in the bowl, what happened? The steam completely condensed into water. So condensation takes place. So the volume of water will be very, very less. So completely perfect vacuum is created inside the can. So here inside the can, very, very low pressure is created or vacuum is created. Outside atmospheric pressure is more. That is why, as he said, the difference in pressure between outside atmospheric pressure and the pressure inside the can. So outside atmospheric air exerts a force on the can and it becomes like this. It's a very interesting experiment. We have to keep it in our mind two concepts. While boiling, the steam is coming out, it displaces the air. So one is displacement of air. When you immerse it in water, condensation takes place. So displacement of air, condensation creates very, very low pressure. That is why it is crushed like this. What is the title of the experiment? Crushing the can. Are you able to do it in the home?
Yes.
Right, you do it in the home.